Hi everyone, welcome to the product review video with me Hemali. This is the welcome kit that I received from Fine Arts Fevicryl. So it had this brush, these two beautiful artist acrylic colors which are water based. So I got this 40 ml 2 tubes of these two shades and a very nice small Fine Arts canvas board. It is 100% cotton and of a very fine quality. You can see here are all the products of Fine Arts. It comes in a big box with all these colors as well. With that welcome kit, I tried this small sketch. I've linked the video tutorial in the description box for the same. Do check that out. I had an instant urge to purchase the big box for myself, so I got it on Amazon, and it has these 12 40 ml tubes. Also, this had an offer pack of these 4 flat brushes. So let me just show it to you. Look at this, it's amazing, yum color. All 12 shades are too good. Let me show you the 2 red ones. This is Crimson and Scarlet Lake. Then we have these 3 shades of yellow. This is the lemon yellow, ochre yellow, and permanent deep yellow. Then we have 2 shades of green, which is the viridian hue and the sap green, while the blue are the cobalt blue and the Persian blue. Of course, we have this brown, black, and titanium white. Let's see how all of these come out on canvas. I like the wells here, and they are arranged in the series as per the number. So let's just open the canvas pad, and I'm going to use a flat brush to paint. Decided to divide these canvas in 12 almost equal parts, and I wanted to check the creaminess and the richness of the color, as they are artist quality. Fevicryl has these bottle colors of acrylic paints. Those are of a hobby art level quality, and these are like real professional ones. So let's start. Yes, good enough. I liked the consistency already. Also, as this is water based, I would like to see how pigmented it is once mixed with water. So I've just taken a little bit of pigment here, just a bit of paint, and yes, amazing, very nicely spread, very superb texture is what is giving. Let me just mix it with some water and then try it. How it works. Okay, this is also great. Let me just show you. Let's see how it looks from nearby. Good, right? I mean, it's like really worth the cost, I think. And let us do the same thing with a bit of more water to understand how rich the pigmentation is. And yes, it's nice, great enough. Although it's water based, it still has this nice luster. That's a nice thing. Oh my god, look at this yellow color, lime yellow color. Superb. Let me add some water and try it. Oh, it's still the same, very rich in pigments, superb. Already in love with this shade. Very nice. So there you go. The best part of these colors are that they dry well and quickly, so that if you want to add more layers on it, it always will go along without trying your patience. Let's try the next 3 colors. And I'm going to do the same thing for all the 12 shades. I love the packaging as well. It has a nice plastic layer so as not to leak it out. Also, here are all the shades, and I think I loved all of them with respect to especially the transparency and opacity. I also gave in these thick color layer with a knife to check the time of drying. I also checked and played around as it took some 20 to 25 minutes to dry out. I just tried these mixing different colors and just played around. And yes, I completely recommend this. It's worth the cost. Can't wait to use them on a big canvas. Stay tuned for more. Do consider subscribing to motivate. Thank you.